Welcome to today's video. Are you thinking of adding an aquarium to your living room to create a serene and stylish environment? In this video, we shall explore various aquarium designs that not only enhance your living space but also bring a touch of nature and tranquility to your home. If you are looking for something one of a kind, a custom aquarium might be the perfect choice. These aquariums are designed to fit your specific living room layout and personal tastes. You can work with designers to create unique shapes, lighting effects, and even incorporate exotic plants and fish. A custom aquarium is an artistic way to personalize your living room and showcase your style. Don't forget the power of lighting when designing your aquarium. LED lights can transform your aquarium into a glowing piece of art, especially at night. You can choose between different colors, brightness levels, and even lighting effects that mimic sunrise and sunset. Add in decorative elements like rocks, driftwood, and plants will give also your aquarium a natural look and make it a true visual masterpiece. Before we wrap up, it's important to remember that aquariums, while beautiful, require regular maintenance. Whether it's cleaning the tank, checking the water quality, or feeding the fish, proper care will ensure that your aquatic environment remains healthy and vibrant. If you are new to aquariums, start with a simple setup and gradually upgrades as you gain more experience. Aquariums bring a sense of peace, movement, and nature into your home. Whether you choose a minimalist design or go for something bold and extravagant, an aquarium will surely elevate your living room's atmosphere. So which aquarium idea will you try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be planning their next home makeover. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. See you next time.